Julia sat down with the president of Catalonia for a CNBC exclusive interview and asked him if this election will deliver a conclusive result.
La situación política en España, efectivamente.
The political situation in Spain is very surprising and generates worries not only in Spain but in Europe.
Dentro de España, sino también en Europa. Y creo que
And I believe that the incapacity to govern the complexity and find smart solutions creates many worries, and I don't see it as good news for the economy or for the politics in Europe.
La economía ni para la política europea.
Do you think fresh elections at the national level will change anything? Because the polls look similar, very inconclusive.
La verdad es que mi impresión es que todo va a seguir igual.
The reality, that's my impression, is that all will remain the same. When it comes to Catalonia, things will be exactly the same, and there will be a government that won't be able to make any proposals for the situation in Catalonia. I spoke to the different Spanish political leaders, and none of them gave me the impression that they wanted to move forward.
La intención de moverse.
We'll come back to the question of Catalonia, which has clearly been a stumbling block in the coalition forming, but do you think acting Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy should step down? Should he let the People's Party have a new leader, fresh perspective?
Bueno, no voy a pronunciarme sobre lo que tiene que hacer.
I'm not going to speak about what the Popular Party should or shouldn't do, because in reality, in this moment, Catalan politics already take decisions in a sovereign way, independently from what happens in the central government or Spanish parties. Undoubtedly, Mariano Rajoy has been a problem, but let's see what the voters will decide in Spain, and what role Mariano Rajoy will play if he has to continue or has to step aside in favour of a coalition. But I don't see political parties ready to make big sacrifices to move forward with the government.
Para sacar adelante la legislatura.
The interim president of Brazil, Michel Temer, has urged Brazilian people to try and restore their